Hi, this is Jennifer Scott with the Scotts at Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm over here in Copperleaf in Palm City, Florida, and I am showing a home today called a Dartmouth. It's about 55 square feet under air. It's a 3-bedroom and a den, 3 full baths, and 2.5 car garage or 2 and a golf cart garage. It sits on a little over 1/4 of an acre with preserves in the front yard and in the back. We're going to be doing an open house this Sunday, so I hope you stop by to say hello. We'll be advertising that later. If you'd like a little more information before then, my number is 561-351-4091. This home has such a great open layout, and the backyard, let me see if I can show you a little bit. There's actually a lake back there, and there's plenty of room for a pool and still to have a garden. Gorgeous home, and I think you're going to really appreciate all the upgrades and how well the owners have kept it. So keep us in mind for this weekend. We are doing an in-person open house on this one. We will all be wearing masks, and we'll be limiting the amount of people in at one time. So hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.